to class. My school name is Rohit English Medium School. My class teacher name is Deepika Miss. My father name is Nagaraju. My mother name is Sarala. Today my topic is about famous places in Andhra Pradesh. Gandikota, a village famous for its Grand Canyon of India. Lepakshi, known for its Veerabhadra temple and ancient hearth. Horsley Hills, a cool climate hill station also known as Ooty of Andhra. Talakona waterfalls. This is the highest waterfall in Andhra Pradesh. Belum Caves, the second longest cave system in India. Yaganti, a temple town with a growing Nandi statue. Ahobilam is a sacred Hindu temple in Andhra Pradesh dedicated to Lord Narasimha. Thank you, one and all. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ritvika. I am studying 4th class. My school name is Rohit English Medium School. My father name is Ishwar Reddy. My mother name is Mahita. My class teacher name is Deepika Miss. Today my topic is about animals. Animals are very important part of our environment. Animals found everywhere. Some animals are domestic animals and some are wild animals. Animals make balance in the ecosystem. Animals make balance in the ecosystem, useful for mankind. They give us milk, egg and even meat. We must protect to keep our environment balanced. Thank you, everyone.